Hey Zeke, I just want to say thank you so much for letting me make this video for you. I really hope that you'll give me the chance to make you a website because when I went searching for valuations, let me see, what are you called? Haas Valuation and Inspection Services, I could not find a proper website anywhere to show me exactly what you do. But I did find your Facebook and I found this business listing. I thought maybe this is for sure your site, Haas Business Valuation. But then I look over and I'm like, Victor Haas. And I click on it and I'm like, no, that is not Zeke at all. Um, so what I did is I took your valuation and inspection services, those words, let's just go to home, and I think that you are located, say Nebraska? Is that Nebraska? I should know my abbreviations. Oh, Wisconsin. Why did it say NE? Okay, so oh, yeah, I actually put Minnesota, but let me put Wisconsin. Is that it? Valuation and inspection services. Okay, well, look what I found, a LinkedIn. That's obviously you, but people don't want a LinkedIn. They want the website of an actual business so they can find out a little bit more about what they're going to be hiring for when they need valuation and inspection services. So looks like your first competitor is right here. Let's just scroll down a little bit more. The people at the top are going to be the ones that are in the search results at the top. And so this website is the first organic search result. And then you're going to see the map pack. Now, people have registered to be in the map pack, and this is something very easy to set up. It's called Google My Business and actually places you on the map. And so generally, people do actually like to scroll down to this map pack to find out exactly where you're located and if you're in proximity to their home. So, and it's also just convenient because the map pack also has, the directions, the phone number, the the website if you have it, and also quickly the reviews where people can actually look and see how well you're doing. So this is a very popular aspect that you can have even if you do not have a website. You can be listed in Google My Business. And so that is something to consider, and we could definitely set that up for you, Zeke. And but I want to take a look at your competitor here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put both of you through a tool we use called Ahrefs. And this actually is a um, SEO tool that shows you how you rank on Google. And so it's kind of hard to rank you because you don't have a website to rank. But let me just see right here, this first competitor. We're going to put their website in here and show you just a little bit about what it takes to rank with SEO. So it's very interesting because they're the ones at the top, but they don't have a lot of rank. And so what would be cool is that you actually would be able to quickly and easily outrank them. This represents the strength of the domain. This represents the popularity in Google. This, of course, is links back to different websites, various different blogs, maybe that talks about home inspection services or magazines or websites relating to home services. And then these are various places that your website, your name, your address, your phone number, would be cited, kind of like a directory or yellow pages. And then these are the keywords that a website would be ranked for. So these are the keywords are very crucial, and you definitely want to have them have that content on your front page so that Google can actually search and find you for those specific keywords that people are looking for. So such things as home inspection services, home inspection, the region, home inspector, inspection services, uh, Fido inspections. Isn't that the name of a dog? Fido. But they don't have a lot of keywords, and so it would be very easy to outrank this um, company, which is only bringing in one click for so little and $4 in value. Um, let's just take a look and see if there are other. Why is your LinkedIn at the top here? That's funny. I mean, people are going to be like, I don't want a LinkedIn. Let's take a look at the next one right here. This might be a good one to see how they rank. Go to their website. It's just all out good to go to have a website available, because then, people can definitely search for your services, um, you know, anything you would like to add to it, like they have here. You can have your phone number easily accessible. Um, I'm not sure all what valuation and inspection services do, but you definitely could have a very optimized, beautiful website and be at the top, receiving all the business very easily. So let's just take a look at how these people rank here. And now, if you do have a website and I'm just not finding it, please send it to me and I would be happy to see how you rank altogether. Okay, so here's more what I'm talking about. Um, they're obviously not doing any better than the other one. So they have, I think, less keywords and value. And of course, that's how it's going to be because they were further down the list in search. So, yeah, that's just a little explanation of how you would rank in Google for your website. Um, First of all, though, I just want to say you got to let me make you a website so you can begin to rank and receive those customers. And but it's backlinks, citations, and keywords. That's really going to get you ranking and up there at the top in Google with your website, and so that you'll be receiving all of the business that you so desire. In comparison to your competitors, it would be very easy to outrank them because everything is so low. So I hope you like this video, and if you're interested in letting me help you get Google My Business set up and or a website, reach out to me, Zeke. I would be happy to help you. Okay? Appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.